everyone. Today I want to talk about the question, what am I doing wrong? Because I see this a lot from people who either have an Etsy shop set up or they have a website or they're trying to build their social media and they can't figure out why they're not building and growing the way that they expect based on all the advice and all the activity that they're putting into it. And they're saying, what am I doing wrong? I'm not getting the results I want. Can you help me? The problem is that you might not be doing anything wrong. See, the thing is about selling on Etsy and social media and growing a following and growing a YouTube channel or whatever it is, you could be doing every single thing right by the book, but you just haven't, I don't want to say gotten lucky, but there is an element of luck to everything. And it's less luck than right place, right time, plus the work that goes into it. So if you're doing the work that goes into it, but you haven't hit the right place, right time yet, it might never take off the way that you expect, or it could just take a lot longer. And in general, if you keep at it, it will eventually hit right place, right time, somewhere along the road. And this is the thing, is that you don't know when that's going to happen. So I can 100%, and people say 100% guarantee you won't succeed if you quit. And yeah, that's true. But if you're doing everything right, and some people are, I look at people's accounts all the time. They're doing nothing wrong, but they're not making sales on Etsy. They're doing nothing wrong, but their Pinterest account isn't growing. Sometimes you have to hit the right place, right time. And in general, when you listen to people who talk about, oh, this is when I hit my success, it's not because they just worked at it and never hit the right place, right time. It's because at some point something went viral. And they, to this day, can't tell you why that happened. It's just something happened where one thing got seen by the right person, who then the algorithm picked that up and showed it to another person. You can't predict these things and you can't plan them. So you might be doing every single thing right, and you just haven't done it for long enough, because once you do it for long enough, eventually you'll hit that right place, right time. You'll hit the one thing that gets picked up. You'll hit that one thing that just happens to be seen by the right audience, and it will work. But until then, you just have to keep doing it. And I know that nobody likes that answer. Nobody likes being told that you just have to do the work. But that's basically what it is. And sometimes it's things that are totally beyond your control. You could be doing the right thing, going along, doing really well, and then somebody flips a switch and the algorithm changes because they move this piece over here and they make this more important over here. And everything that you're doing might still technically be right, but they're showing it to a different audience. And this has happened a lot to people, I think, on Etsy in the past year or so. Their algorithm has shifted a lot to user behavior. Its customer behavior is really, really, really predicting what kinds of things are going to be shown in search results. So your SEO could be technically perfect. Your pictures could be technically perfect. But if that Etsy algorithm isn't working correctly and it doesn't show your listings to the right people who are interested in that, it might not be as successful as you used to be in the past, when it relied more on the technical parts of the SEO and that kind of thing. It could be absolutely out of your control. That's the problem with selling anything, is there's a lot of stuff that's out of our control. Whether you're selling online or in person, it doesn't matter. There's a lot that's out of our control. So that could be part of the problem. Give this video a thumbs up, even if you don't like the message that you're going to have to keep working. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.